Hi, I'm Jim Zwack from the Davey Tree Expert Company, and today we're talking trees. Roots are the foundation of tree health. They support growth, stability, and resilience. When roots struggle, the whole tree suffers, so it's important to know how to spot and respond to the signs of root stress. To help us understand some common root issues, I'm joined by one of our local experts, ISA certified arborist Jason Hayes. So Jason, where should we start?
Thanks, Jim. Roots leave clues about their health. Let's discuss some of the warning signs that something might be wrong. Drought, overwatering, compacted soil, and mechanical damage can all disrupt your tree's root zone. If you notice increased leaning, slower growth than usual, or areas of thinning or wilting foliage, you may be dealing with a tree that has damaged roots. If left unchecked, these issues can create perfect conditions for pests and diseases, especially fungal infections like root rot. Root rot happens when overwatering, poor drainage, or a lack of oxygen suffocates the roots and invites decay. In the worst cases, damaged roots can lead to tree instability and even failure. The good news is there are proactive ways to support healthy roots before it gets to that point. First, aerate compacted soil around your tree so roots can breathe. Once you've done that, adding amendments like compost or biochar can help improve the soil structure surrounding the roots. Proper mulching and slow, deep waterings can help your trees recover and grow stronger. If you're dealing with more advanced root stress, treatment options might include targeted fungicide applications, or in some cases, the removal of affected trees to protect nearby healthy ones. For anything other than minor surface damage, it's best to call a professional. They can assess the damage and offer expert advice on the next steps to care for your trees.
Thanks, Jason. A little root care today can go a long way to keeping your landscape strong, stable, and beautiful for years to come. If you're worried about the health of your trees, contact your local professional arborist for help. As always, thanks for talking trees.